Intro slide, text. Discover 5 powerful AI tools to earn $1,000 a month, even as a beginner. Section 1, ChatGPT. Tool 1, ChatGPT. Use AI for freelance writing, copywriting, and content creation. ChatGPT is an AI language model that helps you write blogs, emails, social media posts, and marketing copy. You can offer services on Fiverr and Upwork to write articles, product descriptions, and more using ChatGPT. Potential earning: $500 to $1,500 per month, depending on clients. Section 2, Canva AI. Tool 2, Canva AI. Design social media posts, presentations, and ads. Canva AI allows you to create stunning graphics, logos, Instagram posts, and presentations quickly. Use Canva Magic Design to make eye-catching content for clients or your business. Potential earning: $300 to $1,000 per month, freelance clients. Section 3, Jasper AI. Tool 3, Jasper AI. Create blogs, website copy, and ebooks. Jasper AI is a powerful AI writing assistant that can help you create SEO-optimized blog posts and ebooks faster. You can start a blog or write ebooks for Amazon Kindle using Jasper AI. Potential earning: $500 to $2,000 per month. Section 4, Opus Clip. Tool R. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. Opus Clip automatically converts YouTube long videos into short viral clips in one click. Content creators use this tool to grow fast on YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Potential earning: $300 to $1,500 per month, content repurposing services. Section 5, Pictory AI. Tool 5, Pictory AI. Create YouTube videos without showing your face. Pictory converts text into engaging videos with stock footage, subtitles, and AI voiceover, optional. You can start a faceless YouTube channel, automate video creation, or make client videos. Potential earning: $500 to $2,000 per month, conclusion slide. Which tool will you start with? Comment below and subscribe for more AI money hacks.